Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can scan documents on your notes in iPhone. So you do have to open the Notes app, and you're going to, if you can't find that, press the plus button first, press the camera and select scan documents. Position the document in view, and you're just going to take a photo of that. And you're just going to adjust the corners to the image here. Then you're going to select keep scan. And then you're going to press save. And here it is, the scanned document. You can now just share it to like your email or wherever, but it will be saved in your Notes app. You can also like select it and I think share it as just an image like that. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!